What does a 500 million peso home in Ayala Alabang offer? Well, for starters, a 4-level house with a basement and an elevator access to all floors. Welcome to your brand new home in Southern Metro Manila's most exclusive village, Ayala Alabang. The house boasts of a modern minimalist design set on an 830 square meter lot and has a total of 1,765 square meters of floor space. A 3-level home with a basement used as an entertainment space for hosting parties. This house is for sale for only 500 million pesos and boasts of lush landscaping with a tropical feel that's more than enough to grab anyone's attention. Step into your very own slice of paradise with this stunning swimming pool, surrounded by vibrant greenery and thoughtfully designed landscaping. This inviting pool is the ultimate retreat for relaxation and leisure. Unwind under the gentle cascade of luxurious waterfall features that create a serene, spa-like atmosphere, perfect for washing away the stress of the day. Whether you're hosting a lively poolside gathering or enjoying a quiet midnight swim under the stars, this space promises an experience like no other. For your comfort and convenience, the pool area comes complete with its own private toilet and shower facilities, allowing you and your guests to refresh and unwind without ever leaving this tranquil haven. This is your personal, tropical sanctuary, where everyday moments feel like a 5-star resort escape. Step into elegance with this home's intricately designed Nara door, a true statement piece crafted from rich, solid hardwood. A blend of Filipino craftsmanship and enduring luxury, it welcomes you with warmth, character, and unmistakable prestige. Inside, you are greeted with an impressive living room where space, light, and elegance come together in perfect harmony. Soaring high ceilings create an airy, open atmosphere, while the generous layout invites you to relax, entertain, and connect in style. Natural light pours in through wide windows, highlighting every refined detail and giving this grand space an undeniable sense of warmth and sophistication. Flow seamlessly from the living area into the heart of the home. A beautifully appointed show kitchen and a fully equipped daily kitchen, both outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances designed to delight any culinary enthusiast. Whether you're preparing gourmet meals for guests or enjoying everyday family moments, these kitchens make every cooking experience a pleasure. This expansive living room is more than just a space. It's the soul of your home, where unforgettable memories are made and everyday living feels effortlessly luxurious. Step out onto your stunning open-air balcony, a captivating outdoor retreat designed for effortless entertaining and laid-back gatherings under the sky. This spacious balcony offers an exhilarating, unobstructed view of the lush swimming pool below, where the sparkling water and elegant waterfall features set a resort-like scene. Imagine hosting sunset cocktails, intimate dinners, or lively weekend get-togethers with this breathtaking backdrop that turns every occasion into something truly special. As we stride over to the side, adjacent to the guest room is this 4-passenger elevator that gives you access to all floors. Treat your visitors to a stay that feels like a 5-star escape in this thoughtfully designed guest room. Bright, airy, and tastefully appointed, this inviting space blends comfort and style to make every guest feel instantly at home. Give your visitors the luxury they deserve with a beautifully appointed guest room bathroom that feels like a private spa. As you head upstairs to the bedrooms, this home's stunning narrow wood staircase makes a grand statement. A masterpiece of craftsmanship that exudes warmth, strength, and timeless elegance. Step into a bedroom designed to be your personal sanctuary, a space where comfort meets quiet luxury. The bedrooms aren't just thoughtfully designed. They also offer your own personal balconies that gives you space fit for rest and relaxation. Step into your bedroom's private bathroom with elegant finishes, modern fixtures, and a soothing palette create a spa-like atmosphere that invites you to unwind in total comfort. Indulge in elevated living with this home's 8 spacious and thoughtfully designed bedrooms, each offering a perfect balance of comfort, functionality, and sophistication. Whether you're curling up with a good book, enjoying lazy weekend mornings, or drifting off into a deep restorative sleep, this bedroom wraps you in serenity and style. the perfect place to recharge and dream.
Oh, and did I mention that there are 2 master suites?
The crown jewels of this home are the 2 master suites, which both offer a serene retreat with generous proportions. A luxurious ensuite bathroom with premium fixtures, a jacuzzi tub, his and hers vanity sink, glass-enclosed double-head showers, and a walk-in closet that caters to all your wardrobe needs. Large windows bathe the room in natural light, creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere, ideal for rest and rejuvenation. Step into a walk-in closet that feels like your very own boutique, a beautifully designed space where style and organization come together effortlessly. Thoughtfully laid out with generous shelving, elegant hanging areas, and clever storage solutions, this closet makes it easy to keep your wardrobe pristine and perfectly arranged. Soft lighting and refined finishes add a touch of luxury, turning everyday dressing into an experience you'll look forward to. Step out onto your inviting balcony, a charming outdoor escape designed for quiet mornings, sunset unwinding, and everything in between. This thoughtfully crafted space offers the perfect blend of privacy and openness, with just the right amount of fresh air and natural light to lift your spirits. Take in the views while you're sipping your morning coffee as the world wakes up. Enjoying a glass of wine under the stars, or tending to a collection of potted greens, this balcony becomes your personal sanctuary in the heart of your home.
The bedrooms offer the perfect blend of comfort, style, and serenity.
Each room is thoughtfully designed with soft, calming colors, generous natural light, and plush finishes that invite you to unwind and recharge. Spacious layouts, quality furnishings, and ample storage ensure that every bedroom feels like a private sanctuary you'll love coming home to. Complementing these restful spaces are the home's luxurious bathrooms, your very own spa-like escape. Featuring elegant fixtures, modern walk-in showers, or deep soaking tubs, each bathroom transforms daily routines into moments of pure relaxation. Tasteful finishes, sleek vanities, and soft ambient lighting complete the sense of quiet indulgence. Together, these well-appointed bedrooms and bathrooms create an atmosphere of effortless luxury and comfort, designed to elevate your everyday living and make every moment at home feel refreshingly special.
These aren't just bedrooms. These are beautifully crafted spaces that turn every moment at home into something special, offering you comfort and calm right where you need it most.
Discover an expansive second master suite that sets a new standard for refined living. Generously proportioned and thoughtfully designed, this luxurious retreat offers more than just a place to rest. It's your personal haven, where comfort, elegance, and tranquility meet. Step through to the master suites, this stunning bathroom. A true spa-like oasis created to indulge your senses. The spacious dual vanity sink offers both style and convenience, giving you plenty of room to pamper and prepare for your day side by side.
This stunning bathroom is outfitted with only the finest fixtures. This lavish space invites you to soak away the day's cares in a deep, luxurious jacuzzi tub, a true spa-like oasis created to indulge your senses.
For the ultimate in relaxation, step into your personal sauna, the perfect place to unwind, detox, and melt away stress at your own pace, right in the comfort of your own suite.
This expansive second master suite and its exquisite bathroom has been crafted to elevate everyday living. Refresh under the enclosed dual overhead showers, where the invigorating water flow creates a rejuvenating, rain-like experience. Here, luxury isn't just a feature. It's a lifestyle you get to enjoy every single day.
Discover timeless elegance and unparalleled privacy in this exceptional residence nestled in the prestigious Ayala Alabang Village, one of the South's most sought-after addresses. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.